There are two persons are there, friends. There are two persons are there, named with the X and Y. Assume that. Their job is in the US. This was originally happened. In the US, what happened is it's a vast, big country, right? US. Yes, Naveen. I mean, the
Yes,
people
sir.
who are
Yeah.
from US, not like India. It's a
Yeah,
big,
yeah.
big, big, right? Okay?
Yeah,
Like
yes, sir. One corner to other corner, east to west, it will take, if you drive, it will take 3, 4 days to.
3, 4 days. Okay? That
Yes.
much big country, big country. What happened is in that country, there are some villages are there where water facility is not there. So there are some villages, water facility is not there. If they required water, they require to travel some 10 miles. Okay, then only they will get the water. What happened is the village people arranged two very strong youngsters. What is their job is from morning to evening, they have to go to the river. They require to go to the river, and then they require to go to river, and then buckets of water they are carrying. For each bucket, they are going to get some money. Okay, like what happened is both are working very strongly, both are getting huge money. Their life is very happy, enjoying their life. But one person got the doubt. Listen very carefully. This type of doubt should strike in your mind also. One person got the doubt. Array, today I am with the full energy. That's why I can bring water. I can carry the water because I have full energy. Now I'm getting the money. With that money, my family is get on. But tomorrow, by mistake, my health is not good. My health is not good. I'm not in a position to carry buckets. Then what about our situation? So, carrying buckets is not correct way. Is not correct way. Is there any alternative way to make this water available to these village people? Like he thought. Then he got the idea. Why don't you build a pipeline? Why don't you build a pipeline? This is the idea one person got. Then he told to the second person, Array, today we have full energy. We are working. But tomorrow, if our age is going to get old, or otherwise some reason, if we are not in a position to work, we won't get the money. This model is not a good model because we are giving the time to get the money. We are working to get the money. So if you are going to work to get the money, you have to work until you die. You know already. The one person grasped this point, and then he is telling, "Hey, we will build one pipeline. That pipeline, once we build, automatically the water is going to come like." Then what the second person did is, the person who listened this, he saw the first person from top to bottom. Arey, pagal. Currently we are getting money. Happily. Don't think about anything. Better to continue this activity. If tomorrow something is going to happen, tomorrow we will think, why you are worrying about today only? Why you are worrying about today only? Like he told. The first person not get convinced. What he did is, other person is carrying buckets from morning to evening, but this person, he spend only 50% of the time to carry the buckets. The remaining 50% of the time he is investing to build a pipeline. Remember this. 1 week completed. No growth. In 1 week, a single person, how much pipeline he is going to build? 1 month completed. Just a small part. 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 6 months, 1 year, 2 years. Once 1 year, 1.5 year got completed, half of the pipeline ready, man. Half of the pipeline is ready. Now, do you know what happened is? For the person who build pipeline, he has to take water from half of the path only. He required to travel only half distance. But the other person is required to travel all the 10 miles. Observe that 10 miles he required to travel. Okay? This person at the beginning is getting very less money, but now both are equal. Next pipeline work is going on. With the less effort only, he is getting more money. The person who built, because 50% pipeline already completed, in half of time only, he is getting the same amount. That is what leverage. That is what leverage. Okay? Leverage means with the less effort, more results we have to get. Now, 50% of the pipeline got completed. Now, the person who built pipeline, he required to travel only 50% of the distance. Then 75% got completed. That last 25% also got completed. Pipeline is ready. River water directly coming to this this village. Then all the people are buying water from this person because he is not required to do anything. Water is coming. Just he sat one chair, he arranged one chair, he arranged a tap. The people who required water, can you please take this water, like at very less price, he is going to offer because he is not required to do big work. But the other person, morning to evening, carrying the buckets and so on, okay, no one in a position to buy from that person. The second person who didn't legend the word, who didn't involved in pipeline construction, that person lost his job, started struggling his life. What is the meaning of leverage? Are you in the position to understand? With less efforts, more results. More results. Once the person build the pipeline, then automatically he not required to do anything. Happily, the water is keep on coming to this. Who build the pipeline? What that person did is assume that is the Durga Sir. Okay, Durga, what he did is he called the other person. Array, I told at the beginning, you didn't listen. You didn't listen. But now what about your situation? Can you please observe? Okay. I will do. I will give work to you. What the work is? I know all the loopholes how to build a pipeline. Because for the last 2 years or 3 years onwards, I did the same activity, right? I'm the expert in that area. In US, multiple villages are there having this problem. Multiple villages are there having the same problem. I will recruit you. You are responsible to build the pipeline for that village on behalf of me. Now, this person gave the employment for this person. Now, both together or with other team, for every village, they are trying to build the pipelines. Observe carefully. At the beginning, his lifestyle started with work to get money. That is his beginning lifestyle. But after a few days, 1 year or 2 years, he built a system. Because of that system, he is getting money automatically. Now, what this person did here, he started buying other people's time to build pipelines in other villages. Yes, along, yes, you are working for money. Yes, along, yes, you are working for the money. You require to work until you die. Build systems. Build systems. The systems are going to work for you. Pay money. Buy the time. Buy the time of others. Okay, those people, the systems, the tools are going to work for you. You will get more free time. Only higher level activities only you require to concentrate. For deal closing, this person is go to the other village, but pipeline construction, the other person is the responsible to construct a pipeline. So, hard work is not enough. Smart systems create freedom. Short-term effort can give long-term freedom. Don't just work, build systems. Build systems. Don't just work. You require to build systems.